Hi first graders, welcome back to another day of science. So some of the things you could have drawn here would be either the sun, the moon, the stars. You could have drawn a firefly, so like a bug. They're kind of hard to draw. With a little light, because fireflies create light. They have their own light. Another thing that you could have done was lightning, or a light bulb, so lightning. Anyway, so hopefully you enjoyed that. And we're done with this part. So this time, we're going to get out this packet. And this says light energy sort. Color the pictures, cut out the pictures at the bottom. Sort them into the correct column. So this says light energy, and this says not light energy. So let's look at some of these. Fire. Would fire be light? Yes. Would a cloud? No. A ring? No. The sun? Yes. A key? No. Lightning? Yes. A fan? No. A flashlight? Yeah, it gives energy. It gives light. Ice? No. And a light bulb? Yes. So I'm going to cut this out and glue it. You're welcome to pause the video or just follow along. Okay, so I'm going to cut it out and put it on, and then I'll come back in just a second. Okay, so I'm back. I cut my pictures out, and now we're going to look at them. So fire would be a light source. I'm going to get my glue. And you are welcome to color yours. I'm just showing you as we go. Would a ring be a light source or not light? Light energy. Rings do not give me energy. They're pretty, but they don't give me anything. Okay, what about a flashlight? That would be light energy, right? Because we can see using it. The sun, I would say light energy. Our biggest light energy, right? The sun is the most energy we get using light. Ice, I'd say not light energy. Clouds, no, clouds don't give us light. They actually cover up the light. Light bulb, yep, light energy helps us see. A fan, I'd say a fan would be not light energy, right? I'm going to say no. Okay, two more. A key, nope, I don't get any light from a key. And then last of all, lightning. And lightning is definitely light energy. So hopefully yours looks like mine. Go ahead and color it, and then take off the top. So that's what you should have. And then we'll do heat energy soon. Okay, bye everyone.